There's something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just your smile. More precious than rubies and pearls. Pastor, you're one of a kind. The best way to say it, woman, your energy is right.
So right.
A lady full of grace and charm.
Lady full of grace and charm.
So beautiful and sweet you were.
Beautiful, sweet you are.
Pastor Dorothy, we gotta say.
Gotta say, gotta say.
On this right here, your special day, woman.
Woman.
You are a queen.
Majesty.
I say we're hailing up a queen.
Majesty.
We're giving respect to a queen.
Majesty.
We're picking up a queen.
Majesty.
Hey, no one.
Personality, you is a teacher, spiritual intercessor, true love, great intercessor. Listen, hey, Apostle proud of ya, him speaking loud of ya. God grace all over ya, and the mercy over your car. Remember, stay. Real blessing and no problem. Remember, stay. Because you are a queen.
Majesty.
I know you are a queen.
Majesty.
You are a queen.
Yeah, yeah. And so I take this time to stop one moment and show my gratitude for you. I put my lighter in the air for you. I see what you're doing, I see what you're going through. I put my lighter in the air, the truth is you're beautiful, you're beautiful. I put your lighter in the air for us. Everybody singing together, sing a new song. Put your lighter in the air, the truth is you're beautiful, you're beautiful. See, many mighty ships are sinking, and many stars are falling down. Yeah, but I count it as a blessing that you hold us up now. Oh, and I can tell that she's been praying, 'cause our whole lives have turned around. Yeah, and I can't go without saying that I thank God for you, oh, and I thank God for you, oh. So I'm lying there for you. I'll see what you're doing, I see what you're going through. Put my lighter in the air, the truth is you're beautiful, you're beautiful. And that's no lie, she doesn't have to try. Right, Apostle? Oh yes, I'm gonna get my words right and then approach you. I'm gonna treat you like a sister is supposed to. I'm not gonna tell no lie. I know everyone can relate that we found a special someone. She's royal, yeah, so royal. And we have her in our lives, 'cause we never knew anyone so one of a kind. So Dorothy, come. The way she moves to her own beats, she has the qualities of a queen. She's a queen. Ooh, what a natural beauty. And she don't need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen, so supreme. And if they ask what a good woman is made of, she's not afraid and ashamed of who she is. She's royal, yeah. So I sing because I'm happy, and I sing because I am free. His eyes, they are all feel discouraged. Oh, and why should the shadows come? Anybody know what I'm saying? Say, and why should my heart feel lonely? Oh yes, and longing for heaven and home. Say with me, when Jesus is your portion. Oh yes, a constant friend is He. Oh, and His eyes, they are on the sparrow. And I know, I said He watches over you. Yes, I sing because I'm happy. Yeah, and I sing because I am free. His eyes, they are on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. I want to see somebody who feel God. Say, I say, because I'm happy. Wave those hands and say, I sing because we are free. She is free. His eyes is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. Oh, say His eyes are on the sparrow. Oh my God. You see, the God that I serve is able to keep you. And let me tell you something, people. If you think that the job she does is easy, you are making a sad mistake. But you see, when God is with you, then there is nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing